Apple just changed every single app on your iPhone at once, and most people are completely unaware. Like, share, and subscribe so you never miss updates like this. Apple revealed next generation Apple Intelligence at WWDC, and this is not a few small additions. This is AI built directly into Photos, Safari, Messages, Mail, Passwords, your home cameras, and more, all at the same time. Photos now lets you drag and shift the perspective of any picture in real time, as if you physically moved the camera when the shot was taken. The Extend tool expands the edges of an image and fixes crooked horizons without cropping anything out. Cleanup now removes unwanted objects, even in complex scenes, with far more realistic results than before. Safari automatically sorts your open tabs into topics without any input from you. A new Notify Me feature watches any web page you choose and alerts you the moment something changes. And if you need a browser extension that does not exist, just describe it, and Safari builds it for you instantly. Passwords now fix themselves with one tap. Apple Intelligence navigates to the website, signs in, and replaces your weak or compromised password with a stronger one automatically. Image Playground generates photorealistic images on Apple Private Cloud Compute, meaning not even Apple can see your data. You can edit images by describing changes or by tapping and circling objects directly. It also creates lock screen wallpapers and contact posters. Messages surfaces one tap. Suggestions based on your conversation, and can find the right photos from your library by recognizing people, places, and keywords. Smart Reply in Mail and Messages now writes in your own personal style. Mail suggestions can take action inside third-party apps. And when you call a business, Call Context shows your confirmation codes and reservation numbers right inside the phone app, all processed on device with nothing shared anywhere. The Home app summarizes your smart home camera footage so you know what happened without watching a single clip. Shortcuts responds to plain language. Voice control understands descriptions instead of memorized commands, and file names are suggested automatically based on content. Apple Intelligence is available on iPhone 16 and later iPhone 15 Pro, iPad with M1 or later, iPad mini with A17 Pro, Mac with M1 or later, Apple Watch Series 10 and later, and Vision Pro. Every core app on your iPhone just got smarter in one update. Tell us in the comments which feature you are going to use first, and subscribe right now because we are going deep on every single one of these very soon.